Recovering after a surgery or fall or living with balance issues can make walking difficult, even intimidating. Drive Medical's adjustable height rollator can provide users of any height up to 300 pounds with much needed support, mobility, and confidence. It can also be used indoors or outdoors. This tool-free height adjustment allows users to adjust the seat from 18 to 22 inches in 1-inch increments to accommodate their individual height. To adjust the height, simply depress the brass push pins, adjust the rollator to the desired height, and secure in place with the lock knobs. The height of these ergonomic handles can also be adjusted as much as 8 inches for a more confident grip. When rest is needed, the padded seat and backrest make sitting comfortable. The backrest is also removable and folds up or down as necessary. The padded seat is seamless to help prevent any unnecessary rubbing or scratching. Underneath the seat, it comes with a zippered carry pouch for added privacy and security of personal items. The Rollator's lightweight folding frame makes it easier to lift in and out of a vehicle. And when it comes to safety, durable wheels with loop lock brakes add stability on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Every step of the way, Drive Medical's adjustable height rollators support safe, confident mobility. For the road ahead.